everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys 3 healthy meals that I have been loving lately. They're actually inspired by when I went to visit my family in LA and Paris and France, and they made these and I fell in love with the recipes. So I want to share them with you guys because they were really quick, easy, and they were healthy. So let's go ahead and get into the healthy meals. So the first meal we're making are these turkey zucchini boats. I'm starting off by slicing up some zucchini lengthways. Zucchini is great, it's hydrating, it's anti-inflammatory, plus it's loaded with beta carotene, which really works to reduce the oxidative stress in your body. It's also a really good lower carb vegetable if that's something that you watch. So I just go ahead and I slice it lengthways, and then I'm using an ice cream scoop, but you can definitely just use a spoon and spoon out the seeds in the center. It's hard to begin with, but once you get towards the center, the seeds will come out easily. And this way we can fill our boats with things. So this is really easy, but also a very versatile recipe because you can pretty much stuff it with anything. So to reduce waste, I don't like throwing out the middle of the zucchini. I like to mix it in, but you can definitely just fill it with meat, but I like to do a combo of the two. That way we're not being wasteful. So I add in some ground turkey, but you could definitely do chicken, lamb, grass-fed beef, whatever kind of that you want. So I just mix that together, and you can also mix up the seasoning. So I'm just going to do a very basic seasoning. This is my favorite kind of sea salt. It has like salt, but also some pepper and things like that in it. You could do it taco style, so a taco seasoning, Italian, like I said. You can definitely mix up the seasonings to make it a bit different, and then mix up your protein. So the ones that's mixed together, I'm just going ahead and spooning out my mixture into all of the boats. So generally I like to have like 2 boats or 1 full zucchini per meal, and you can have this with a side salad or some other kind of vegetable. But this is a really good thing to meal prep too, because it's super easy and you can make them ahead of time or even just assemble them ahead of time. So once they're full, you just have to bake them off for about 25 minutes and you have these delicious zucchini boats. So versatile, delicious, a nice warm meal too, plus you get in your veggies. Next up, we're making a Nicoise salad, which, believe it or not, was the first time I had one was like this summer, and it's actually a French salad, which is hilarious. So I'm going to boil off some red potatoes and some green beans. I put the green beans on top. I take them off after 7 minutes, and then I continue to cook the potatoes. While that's cooking, I'm assembling my tuna. So I'm taking this Primal Kitchen lemon aioli mayo. I really like their mayo. It's a bit better for you than like traditional mayo. Some salt and some pepper. Tuna is great because it is absolutely loaded with vitamin B6. And vitamin B6 works really well when you're stressed, for your adrenals, but also for energy levels. So it's going to be really good. And you want to make sure you get wild tuna as well. You don't want any tuna that isn't wild. I'm also going to be slicing up a tomato, which is also part of this kind of traditional salad. I'm including everything you traditionally would include in this type of salad. And tomatoes are great. They're full of antioxidants. I mean, the brighter red tomatoes that you can get, the more vitamins and minerals that are going to be in it. Also really good for gut health. So I'm just slicing up one of these. This one was actually from the farmer's market. And I don't know about you guys, but I really find that produce from a farmer's market tastes so much better than what you get in the grocery store. And I also kind of like going to the same farmers and getting to know them and everything like that. So then you can build your bowl once everything is done. So I'm loading up the tomatoes and then the potatoes. And this is definitely something that you can prep the ingredients beforehand. So like the potatoes and the green beans and the tomatoes, cut that all up on Sunday or whatever day, get that ready to go, and then you can assemble this throughout the week. I also like to hard boil or medium boil some eggs to have on hand. So again, all of these things can just be on hand. Even the tuna you can make ahead of time and then just prep your bowl if you want a quick lunch or dinner, or if you need to take it somewhere like to school or to work. But I love this salad. It's full of healthy protein and it's going to keep you full. I'm going to leave the dressing recipe down in the description box also, but this is a great filling salad. I don't like boring salads, and this definitely is not boring. It's got lots of healthy protein that's going to help fill you up, healthy fats, and a great kind of versatile dressing that you can bring on the go as well. So this is definitely a winning salad and one that's going to keep you full. And then we have this coconut curry chicken. Guys, my sister is obsessed with curry, and she made this like with so many different proteins. I'm using chicken today, but she's also made it with shrimp, and it was really good with that as well. I like chicken thighs. I just find that they have more flavor than chicken breast. So I'm cooking that, and once that's cooked, I'm adding in some full fat coconut milk. So that's the one you get in the can. This is what's really going to be good for your gut because it's full fat. Healthy fats don't make you fat. They're super good for you. They actually do the opposite of make you fat. And then I'm adding in a heaping tablespoon of curry paste, but you can also do this with the curry spice. I just find the paste has a little bit more flavor. And this is loaded with really good herbs that are warming. And in the fall and winter time, it's really good for your digestion to consume things that are warming as opposed to things that are cold. So all those warming spices are going to be not only lots of flavor, but really good for you. So I kind of just simmer that off until the sauce thickens a little bit and it kind of reduces. And then, like I said, this is also something that you can make ahead of time and meal prep. I like to serve mine with cauliflower rice. It's a very warming, nourishing meal, perfect for like those gloomy or chillier days in the fall and the winter time, but also really good that you can prep it in advance and kind of just have it whenever you want it. Definitely a good staple recipe that you can whip up really quick because there's only 3 ingredients. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any future healthy, delicious recipes. I'm gonna leave my healthy recipes playlist right here so you can get lots more ideas, inspiration, and of course, recipes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.